All right, welcome everyone. Today is the 22nd of October. We're going to be going over Nas100 for the possible moves for this week, starting Monday on the 23rd. So let's go on the Forex Factory, see what we have. So my focus would be on Tuesday, mostly on Tuesday and Thursday. No news on Monday. All right, so let's go on the weekly time frame. Starting off the weekly time frame, we have this 680 level that we broke. We were talking about this level here. Was talking about this level here at 680. Right, this level here at 680, every time we are above it, we are buying, and every time we are below it, we're selling. All right, buying, below it, we're selling, above it, we're buying, above it, we're buying. We stayed above it, so we went up. So this was the a couple weeks ago where we respected it, and that's why we took those longs up, but market rejected, making a triple rejection here, and now we're closing back below 680. So every time we're below 680, we are selling. So that's why it's a strong bearish bias coming into this week, saying that okay, if we're bearish then and we're below 680, we want to see a, when I zoom in here, we want to see a top wick form. So it's making a top wick at the moment, and then we want to see this weekly candle then stretch and make its way down like this. Something like this, right? That's what we're looking for in the week, a bearish candle. So if we're looking for a bearish candle, let's go on the daily time frame here. Daily time frame here. Let's go just on the weekly time frame. Just I'm going to take out the analysis here. So yeah, so this is the 680 level, right, that we're talking about. We're below it. So our our first target, we've got three targets for the week here. The first target is 14,445. And that would be the low that was made on the 25th of September, yeah. 25th of September, yeah. So we gotta race to this low. This is gonna be the first TP 445, and then the second TP 215, and then TP 3 would be 13,920. All right, so we want to see upper wick and then a rejection. So when we go on a daily time frame, we see that this is 680 is a strong level of rejection here, here. So we can see a top wick form there. So if we go on a 4-hour time frame as well, it's a strong zone here that we have 680 here. God, I touches, multiple touches here, here, and we can see throughout the board here, if we can come up here and then start rejecting here, then we can see a nice sell-off to take these lows out. All right, that's what we're looking for, just following the trend. So when we go on the 1-hour time frame or 30-minute time frame, yeah, let's go on the 30-minute time frame. What the setup number one would be, right, for Monday's trading, looking at this structure, would be simply a push up. So we already gained that. We already got that push up from market open. So I want to see more of a grind higher into this like 680 area. Okay, 680. And I want to see mostly some rejections at 680, bearish candles at 680 to then continue this, maybe like this double rejection to then continue down and attack the TP1, TP2, and TP3. That's exactly what I'd be looking for. But I do know that, I can expect a fake out at 680. So I'm also looking for giving its trade. So let's say that it does come up here and it rejects, and then what it wants to do is then take that high out and take this high out, right? It's very likely for it to do that, just knowing we were basically going to be trading on Monday's candle, right? And Monday and Tuesday like to take out something and take out some highs before actually going, like a fake rally, right? So we want to see this actually take out this high and then come back below 680, and that would be my short entry then to continue down. This is another thing I'd be looking for. So a fake out above 680 and a close back below 680 is what I'd be looking for. Um, and yeah, that's basically it on the sell side here. No buys for tomorrow or this week. And if it is, it would be a scalp, not going, not taking it too far. Let's just put a line here to see what support this is here. Okay, cool. This actually lines up with this support here. Wow, okay. Nice structure here. This low here, rejection on this low here, and this is the TP1. So what's the range here? Let's see the range here. Oh yeah. 100 points to TP1, even if we close below 553. This is gonna be a zone here. All right, so we got 3 setups. Let's just recap really quickly. The list of the 3 setups. Setup number 1, come up here to 680, start rejecting, 30-minute candle close bearish. That's a nice short to then continue down to 553. That would be setup number 1. And you would take 80% off here. And if it would close below, then you can add to the TP1. That's just how setup number 1 would be presented. The setup number 2 would be if we get stopped out, right? Or if we don't even get a bearish candle and we just go all the way up here, we close above 680, close back below 680, that's your short, right? And then same thing, 80% comes off here, and then when we close below here, you can add. If it doesn't, then stop loss gets hit at in profit. Okay, and then the third setup would be if we don't even maybe get up to 680 and we start rejecting. So that would mean there's no trade, there's no trade, there's no trade until we come to 553, close below 553. That would be a breakout to then we would get on the next candle to then continue down right to 445 TP1, right? That would be a breakout trade. We have to close below 553 for us to even enter this short to go to 445. All right. So that would be the setups for tomorrow. There's 3 of them. I'll put them in the description. And yeah, that would be basically it for Monday. All right, guys. Stay safe.